Hamilton County Emergency Management is rolling out a new emergency alert system. Through a partnership with Regroup Mass Notification, the service will allow the Hamilton County 911 office to use alerts that are geolocated to your account. For example, if an emergency only affected Sale Creek, only signed up users that would receive that area live in that alert area. They believe that having this service will streamline communications and help the county be more responsive during crisis.
It's only as good as the amount of people that sign up, and we tried this years ago and we had a dismal response. But we think now our county has seen that we have pretty much every kind of incident you can have, and we need to be prepared, just like we prepare with all of our partners here, with all the training exercises we do.
A link to sign up to the service is on our website. That's WDEF.com.